Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. All right, we have enough to talk about. I mean, we got some nice bearish moves, and we're down to our next support level. So in general, I just wanted to talk about my general thoughts about the market right now, what to expect, etc. All right, because I kind of forgot what we talked about yesterday, but overall, the situation for Bitcoin right now is bearish, all right? So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, I mean, if you zoom out enough, we're bullish, all right? And I also do think that we will remain bullish to a certain extent. However, if you zoom in, you can very clearly see that the EMAs right here provided enough resistance over the course of yesterday and eventually pushed us down. And the biggest reason for that is, in my eyes, is that there's no real bidding going on, all right? There's no real buying up Bitcoin. While the previous times that we got spikes during, for example, the end of February, but also the beginning of March right here, it was instantly bought up. So what we're waiting for is for Bitcoin to find a strong support. Now, our next support level is right here between 62,200 and 63,000. Could that be the support we're looking for? Could be. But the thing is that we have to wait for confirmation. Otherwise, we will also drop down to 58,000 and potentially even lower. I mean, I think you should probably be prepared, for levels as low as 52,000. So that's what we're waiting for. And in general, you can see if you look at the open interest that there really isn't much going on. All right, you can see that here. It did go up for a little bit, so you can see some bidding going on perhaps, but even if you look at the CVD, let me quickly get rid of these. If you look at the CVD here, it was not even like more positions were opened earlier this morning, but it was not necessarily that they were long or short orders. It was kind of both and more short orders. So yeah, like I said, in general, I'm bearish on Bitcoin right now. I do think that, like I said, I mean, the market circumstances are not bad. They're bad to trade right now, but in general, they're not bad. So I do think we'll have frequent spikes up. But the only way we can actually reverse from here and actually turn really bullish again is if that open interest goes up. So that's the main thing to watch, all right? And at this point of time, there's no indication that that's going up. If you look at this, it's more just a strong downtrend. So I expect that to continue. All right, I expect this bearish momentum after the real bearish breakout below 65 and 67,000 right here to continue down in 63 and 62,000. From there, I do expect some support. All right, I would be very surprised if we drop down below that and drop down towards 60 and 59,000 instantly. So I do expect some support there. And like I said, I mean, quite a lot of shorts are being opened here. So what you can have a look at is where most of the liquidity to the upside is for Bitcoin. You can see that there's quite a lot of liquidity accumulating around 66 and 67,000. So a spike up that level, I would not be surprised. But as long as a spike like this is not followed with the open interest going up by a lot, then there's no real bidding and the price will just continue back down and will remain bearish. All right, so I think that's what you should know. For now, I think it's most likely that something like this will happen. But like I said, that's very subject to change depending on what the open interest does. Because the main thing to watch, like I said, the market circumstances on its own are not necessarily the worst. At some point of time, this open interest will start to move up, something like this. Then there's a chance that we turn bullish. But that's just not the situation right now. All right, so keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the technicals. Like I said, main support level is right now is between 63 and 62,000. If we drop down below 62,000, it is 60 down to 58,000, but I don't expect that on the short term, but you should be prepared for it. And when we hit support at that level, wait for some sort of open interest, bullish momentum, and then we can rally. If that doesn't happen, we'll drop down lower or consolidate. But that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.